In your opinion, what are common data wrangling challenges that enterprises are facing today, and how should teams ideally approach them?
While startups, maybe you usually struggle to collect the data, with enterprises, you often have the data, but you struggle to get access to it. So at the end, the project is successful, but you can lose speed because of this. The challenges, I think that also depend a lot on the type and the source of the data. Because, for example, if the data is generated and needs to be processed in real time or not, it's a really important variable, for example. But in general, the complexity is variable, and the challenges and the recommendations you can do are in a case by case basis always.
Not all data is ready to be processed, right? We have structured data, unstructured data, and we have semi-structured data. When we talk about structured data, we talk about like an Excel sheet or like a CSV, something that really holds a structure like columns and rows. When we talk about semi-structured data, we talk about data types such as JSONs or Python dictionaries that doesn't have a structure itself, but it does have a label or a value that guide us to know what type of data is. But when we deal with unstructured data, which is the rest, like images, sounds, videos, websites, PDFs, then we have to do a lot of web scraping, or we have to do a lot of pre-processing or decoding or whatever it takes to convert that unstructured data in kind of structured data that we can process in our algorithms. At the end of the day, since the algorithms are mathematical equations, they will provide a result, right? They will always provide a result, but that doesn't mean that the result will be right. So we have to double check, as Paula was saying, if our data is correct, if the variables I'm picking are correct, and what am I basing my decisions on picking these variables?